Welcome. In front of me is HP Compaq 17, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enter one-time boot menu on this laptop. So to do that, all you'll have to do is turn on your device by pressing the power button once, and once your device starts booting up, immediately start pressing F9 key repeatedly. And just wait until you see the boot menu on your screen. Now here you can navigate using your down and up arrow keys and select one of the options that you see on the list with enter. If you want to exit, you can press escape. If you want to enter BIOS, press F10. Okay, so I'm gonna boot into Windows by selecting the first option right here, and my device will simply boot into Windows. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.